Welcome to my channel iGallery. In this video today, I will share the idea and the step to unlock, recover, or fix any kind of USB data traveler, or to repair the USB drive. You can see the USB is unreadable, can't access it, or can't be opened, can't be formatted either. In this solution, please follow these steps. Meanwhile, watching this video, please let me know if there is any kind of mistake in this video so that I can improve in future videos. If you do have any kind of question regarding this video, let me know in the comments section. I will be happy to answer them. Let's help each other. Let's learn together. Open Disk Management, and from there you can see the inserted USB drive that is unreadable. Right-click in it. From there choose Make a New Simple Volume. From there follow those steps. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel.